Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials: a Microsoft account and OneDrive access, because OneNote sync depends on them. Once done, install the OneNote app on your main device, desktop if you want full features, and sign in. Now create your first notebook and name it clearly for its purpose, then add one or two sections as categories. This gives you an immediate structure to work in and avoids creating dozens of empty notebooks later. Next, focus on detailed organization. Convert your initial sections into workflows. You should create pages for recurring activities such as meeting notes, project outlines, and reference material. Once created, make a template so you don't repeat formatting. Apply tags like to do, important, and question to prioritize and enable filtered searches. Also, use subpages to group related entries. By designing this middle layer thoughtfully, you finish by ensuring sync is enabled across devices and confirm notebooks show the up-to-date icon. This prevents lost edits. Make sharing decisions. Grant edit or view permissions on shared notebooks and set a shared link rather than attaching files. Finally, export critical notebooks as a backup PDF or OneNote package. If sync stalls, sign out and sign back in, check OneDrive storage and network, and force a sync. That one troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.